if you look at this type of condition, then you must be suspicious of one thing. And what is it? You can see the composite resin looks dark, and neighboring tooth, the position looks a little bit not straight. And what happened was this wire was not fixed on this enamel. The composite resin was dislodged from central incisor, and underneath the central incisor, the composite resin, secondary caries developed, and lateral incisor was derotated. So what I did was I removed fixed retainer and did filling on this lingual surface, and I did retraitment on this patient. And after that, I made fixed retainer. So whenever you see any discoloration on one or two composite resin, then it is highly probable that the fixed composite resin was dislodged from the enamel. And even if you don't check with the composite, if you don't check with Explorer, it may already have dislodged.